Hello, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. In this video, I will introduce some Korean foods which have especially significant cultural traditions associated with them. The first dish is mi-yeok-guk. It is a Korean-style seaweed soup. Some Koreans eat this soup on their birthday. So on a friend's birthday, Koreans might ask them whether they eat the soup or not, like this. mi-yeok-guk 먹었어? Meaning, did you eat mi-yeok-guk? It is thought that this tradition originated from the belief that seaweed is helpful for healing wounds and contains some essential nutrients for women. Due to this, Korean mothers eat this soup a lot when they are pregnant. Perhaps we commemorate mothers' efforts by eating this soup on our birthday. However, interestingly, Koreans avoid this healthy and traditional soup on a test day. Can you guess the reason for this unspoken rule? The answer is that there is a superstition that your knowledge might slip out of your brain because seaweed is slippery. And it may also be related to the verb mi-yeok-guk, to slip, figuratively meaning fail in Korean. Our second food today is Tteok-guk, which is a combination of tteok, meaning rice cake, and guk, meaning a soup-like dish. We eat this traditional dish on the Lunar New Year to give us a good luck and a fresh start to the new year, as well as longevity and wealth. This cultural tradition is related to the main ingredient of this soup, Ga-rae-tteok. Its color symbolizes purity, and therefore it encourages a good start. At long length, foods like noodles in longevity. And a sliced Ga-rae-tteok looks like a coin, so people associate it with money. That's why sometimes we greet each other on the Lunar New Year by asking whether they have eaten Tteok-guk like this. Tteok-guk 먹었어? Today we have talked about some traditional Korean dishes with cultural significance. Which Korean traditions do you find interesting? Please share in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. In my next video, I will come back with a new word and story. Leave suggestion in the comments. See you in the next video.